How to delete Spotify account permanently. First of all, open the Spotify app. Now click on the profile icon in left hand side. Click on setting and privacy. Scroll down. In the last you can find support option. Click on it. Now in the search box search delete account. Now choose fourth option, close your account and deleting your account. Now click on close your account and delete your data. Click on close my account and delete my data. Now click on close my account. Take some time for reply. And now your Spotify account will be deleted. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.